Magadi. Anyways, there's a question yakabhunzwa nemunhu kunzi ko Mad Minox indawo makaita ma-dreadlocks. Aiwa ama-dreadlocks it's just a thing that identifies me with reggae music. Ma-dreadlocks ndagara ndichada kupera kudhara, but my parents angu kuti ndite ma-dreadlocks even ndiri kuZimbabwe, that was a no. Ndaitogona kutodzingwa pamba nenyaya yema-dreadlocks. My brother had dreadlocks, but yanga iri hora chaiyo padini. Zvanga zvisikanyatsokukenerana nemaparents because ma-dreadlocks ainzi zvinhu zvetsvina ka, zvinhu zveng'anga chichi. Saka wanga wane madread wanga wakatoshinga madays edu isu sekuma-80s, because I finished school 1985 ka. So kana ndapedza chikoro kandiita zvandoda nemusoro wangu. Kuchikoro taika mavhudzi, unyatsopfeka wakataika kuenda kuchikoro uita so. But like I said, I started listening to reggae music in 1980 when Bob Marley came. 1980, 81, 82, it was full throttle. Every Saturday takutoenda kudance paWhite Double kuAfrica A1. Saka these guys had dreadlocks and a power, and zvaingonakidza ungoona vanhu vane madread ona ana gari nevamwe marasta anga angoripo time iyoyo. Even malocals, kwangu nemalocals kana Mickey Dread, Mickey Mulaus anga ne dread, Farai Shambari anga ne dread futi, angangoizongoitawo dread, and vanhu vanongochi-idolize ka uchiti dauzoitawo dread vange iyeyo, but avanhu vanga vari vakuru kwandiri, saka I couldn't have dreadlocks that time. And actually Mickey Dread did the best or maybe the nicest dreadlocks. Angakareba akanyatsonaka. And munhu wokuti hatinamboziva kuti akabva nekupi Wedzera. Saka taitofunga kuti akatobvana napawa, ndo zvataitofunga kuti akatobvawo nemarasta yakuva vakabva. But inini kuti ndizoita dread, ndakamboita mafunky dread madays anana Shabarangs and leaders of the new school ana Pastor Rhymes epanapa epamusoro chete anenge akamira pamusoro waShiva kumaside. But kuma 85 there was a lot of guys onana 84, 85 kona Dandaro Rockers, ana Rutendo, ana Frontline boys akawanda in those groups vanga wane madread. These were local sound man vanga wane madreads. Saka taingovaonawo funny, but it's something that I always wanted personally. But manje kuti uzvitaure pane vanhu hazviite munhu wese anenge akanyatsogerwa akashefa akanyatsogerwa akasita akabhibho kake zvichiita, because mudansi we were like 300-400 vanhu, 400 pamwe vakatowandisa, because kaWhite Double kadiki ka, Zimbabwe wo idiki futi, yakapinda 400 vanhu inenge yazarisa zvekuti hauchakwanisa kufamba. Saka madread wakaona kana 3-4 waitoona kuti hazvishuwa ukunzwa reggae music. Ine madays yawo vanhu vaita inonzi skunking to nice good reggae rubber-dub music, rubber-dub style. Noti zvamazuva ano zvema-acrobatics izvi, aiwa. Tara kwangu nana Al Campbell, Sugar Mayanat, level vibes. Inadi dance tonight. Baba ne sound inonzi level vibes yaFarai naChabi. Yanga isina kumira beautiful you. This one a half pint, purple man, yellow man, super kid. Mdara. Keno Campbell. Wanga isina kumira beautiful ku Zimbabwe. ana Frankie Jones. That's what music is in the naked. You know what I mean? And Echo Minot. Echo Minot was one of the top dancehall singer. My days are my 85. Nitty gritty, Tinashe. I got my one be German. Not Jamaican, Zuguti, which is what song so. It's not to Ragan and the way songs go to Munanga cheap song him. Which is Kudara when songs was word by word with Munata or Shakat. If you know a super kid, Ajita DJ and a Ninja Man and a Shaba and a LB and a Josie Wells. Why not songs watches just with my words are Tora Shakati Papa Zarutaures. You know what I mean? Although my singers are with that and a little junior, my lyrics are on my show, compared to my singers, Amazon. I repeater, Sunjagawanda, two my bars. I think I will repeat a chorus or repeat after those same 2 bars. So we have to pay 3 minutes, it's a pair. But as we got after my days here when my MC. Level 5 zanga in about 8 my MC kana safe kana 5 only normal day. But it's not about the sound system. It's just in why I decided to have dreadlocks. When I came here and I got suit come my dread first time when I had dreadlocks was 1996 when I became a citizen of this country. I became a citizen of Canada in 1996. So to one picture you got to 1995 but 96 when I ndo panakatanga kuita Madrid picture yangu haina Madrid citizenship. Ndo panga ndakuenda kuchikoro nanda free na independent. Ndasiyana nemzimai and all that. Saka all these things pane zvimwe zvinhu zvakasingabvumirwi kuita kana uri mucertain situation. You know what I mean? You have to consider other people around you. Apana ndakugara ndega ndakuita ndoda saka I had my funky dreadlocks on. It's fashion. And 2001 ndopanakatanga kuita ndakamboita tumadread tudiki nchimborukwa nchimbodai ndambosiyana nazvo. 2008 ndo pandakazotanga kuita madreads these ones andinawe and they are 2008 ndangorukwa into 3 like free hand ndaba ndangosiya. That's how I'm a dreadlocks today, dreadlocks man. Some people say I'm a fashion dreadlocks because I'm not a Rastafarian. And it is a Rasta. Ndotodya nyama yangu yese. I eat pork, I eat beef, I eat chicken, I eat fish. Ndirichidhakwa. Mbanje ndakatanga kuziputa, I think it was 2000 or 2001. I think 2000 ndakatanga kuputa mbanje. But like I say, dreadlocks can be a fashion, can be a culture. But for me, it's for me to identify myself with the reggae music. But vanenge zvichi Rastafarian vanoti I'm a fashion dreadlocks. Yeah. I cannot argue with you because ndozvaunofunga kuti I'm a fashion dreadlocks. Why should I argue? Every man has his opinion, so you have to respect that. But when you come to me, you have to respect me when you say that. If you tell me I'm a fashion dreadlocks in a way that you are trying to insult me, I'll be an angry man. And I will insult you back. ndokutaura zvaunenge uda kunyatsonzwa handiti. And madreadlocks akaendita kuti ndidzikame from the violent state of mind and aimbove ndinayo kudhara. So with dreadlocks I became a humble man, way too humble. You know, uchifamba murodhu panga kunyatsokura paipo. I used to have my dreadlocks angu, they at one time they were like 6 my dreadlocks angu mumusoro, and akamboita 15. Now I'm 40 something, because ameno zvinongoitika. I don't really like kuti munhu akroshe mubvudzi rangu. Pakambokroshwa bvudzi rangu kuZimbabwe uku, muatati apa tukadai nenge ndo pakaita kuti bvudzi rangu riwande zvariri. But right now I'll rather leave my growth ichibuda, because my head becomes fuller. Auone musoro ndo like anonzi mafull dreadlocks. Vamwe vanhu vaya vanoita madreadlocks ekuenda kumasaloon vachikroshwa, unoona skull. Ini ndakakroshwa I think once or twice, and I won't do it again, because bvudzi rako rinodambuka and bvudzi rangu rinokura stereki. For some people vakatanga kuita madreadlocks kuma 1980s, even kuma early 90s, my hair is longer than them. I have my brethren variko kuna sekondo vese munoona vane madreads mumavideos mangu vakatanga kuita madreads, ndisina madread, but mine are longer than them, twice longer, because bvudzi rangu rakagara richingokura. You know, and some people are not, chikafu chauno chika kuCanada chakanaka, plus unogana kuCanada unenge une mari aiwa. Bvudzi rinoda kumboiswawo tuma shampoo womboiswawo tuma hair food. Usangoti kana waita dreadlocks wakuita kunge muti unongokura, muti unotoda kuti udiridzwawo futi. Wazviona? Although my dreadlocks are wild. Now they're wild, and andakada kubasa nazo kuti munhu anoti chine madreads anga ndabasa nazo, but inini ndakaitira to identify myself with reggae music. I'm quite sure a lot of people vanonizwa chiti reggae music and it dancehall, because I started listening to Jamaican reggae music that was played in a dancehall style or in a rubber-dub style. You understand? So dancehall izvo kandizvimai manje andiko ikoko. Inchandoziya reggae music in a rubber-dub style played in a dancehall. Dancehall is a place that reggae music is played. Kuti munogona ngoridzwa rock and roll mudancehall. Wazvinzwisisa? Elvis Presley chaiye atori nesong inonzi dancehall. Saka a lot of people, don't get yourself confused nenyaya reggae music nedancehall. It's a place, it's a venue. That's why vanhu vachizoda kungochinja reggae music vachiti trap music chichichi zvinzina nebasa afrofusion. Reggae music is reggae music. Don't try change it. Beenie Man anoimba reggae music. He might argue, Beenie Man can argue and have his head swell saying that he sings dancehall. No, it's a reggae music. That's how it is. Reggae music is reggae music. You can't change it. It's a style that changes the music, but the foundation is called reggae music. You know what I mean? And reggae music has spirituality in it. I see ma yekuti unonzwa nhasi mangwana icharira ka. Shamazwan is you listen to that song in a week, 2 weeks, that song you don't want to even listen to it. And I'm here today listen to Echo My Note 1985. I'm here today listening to Sugar My Note 1982. You know, Rabadub style. I'm here today listening to Nitty Grit 1984, 1985. That's why and this one I'm telling Bob Marley. Because Bob Marley was played in the houses, Nepa radio. Madanze yataenda isutirira reggae music. There was no Bob Marley or Peter Tosh or Bunny Wailer being played in the dancehall. Those artists, Benning Spear, Ijaman Levi, Eric Donaldson, they were played on the radio or in the houses. When we used to listen to reggae music, rubber-dub style, nitty-gritty here, plays in the dancehall. And on the radio too, Tinashe plays in the dancehall on the radio. And Josie Will, you know, Charlie Chaplin, those guys. U-Roy, I-Roy, Trinity, you know, Papa Toyan, Super Kiat. You can say, apana mazwano anonzwa reggae music. Apana kana munhu anokwanisa dance inopera musina mborira kana one Super Cat. No. Dance inopera musina kana mborira kana any foundation song in my 80s. I cannot live with it. That's why in those motions I don't decide to take reggae music. Yamazwani. I'm not a dancer with trap. But my dreadlocks, it's an identity. That I listen to reggae music. It's not fashion. You can call me a fashion dread, it's okay. Or you can call me a renter dread, it's okay. I won't argue with you because I know why I grew my dreadlocks. My dreadlocks have a purpose. And that purpose is more spiritual than anything, than the looks. It's going to come a time when I'm going to cut them. But for now, they are serving the purpose. And it's mostly spiritual. That's why reggae music, I don't tell you that, and if I listen to Buju Banton, I can feel a vibe, you know what I mean? Even Buju Banton, dancer, in a dancer style, you know what I mean? Those music, yeah, kapinda nayo. It has a vibe, I got to see and never one. But that's how dreadlocks come by. Most people have dreadlocks and they don't know why they have dreadlocks. And some people have dreadlocks and they don't even listen to reggae music. When I went to Swaziland, I thought I came to a reggae city or a reggae country. I actually introduced reggae music in Swaziland. There was a lot of dreadlocks people, but it was old fashioned. They used to go to salons and do dreadlocks, crocheting and whatnot. I met a guy in Swaziland called Chrome. He had a salon. And he was, you know, he was great. He was a DJ too, DJ Chrome in Swaziland. He was a great guy, man. I would listen to him, you know, all day, all night. The guy was full of wisdom, man. Talking to me and, you know, reasoning while he's doing hair, you know, women, both men and women. And that's how it is, man. Most guys think if they have dreadlocks, they're more Rasta than me. No, you're not more Rasta than me, right? These are not Rasta. Rastafarian is a culture. It's a name of His Majesty, King Selassie I the First. His name is Rastafari. But most people say Rastafari. They put it like it's one word. No, it's actually like 4 words. These are not called, this is not Rasta. If you call me Rasta, it's kind of a disrespect in a way. But, you know what I mean, sometimes we have to tolerate the ignorance of the people around you. This is not Rasta. Normally police call you Rasta. Rasta, yeah, Rasta, come here. You know what I mean? Rasta, where are you? Yeah, Rasta, Gigi. Why is it? We not too like police, you know. That's how it is. They just want to call people Rasta. You know what I mean? But there's more spirituality in it. And if people take time to understand the dreadlocks man, what they used to call in Jamaica, the black heart man, you know what I mean? You can listen to Baniwela's album, Black Heart Man, you know what I mean? You might get the sense where I'm coming from. Or you can listen to Winston Rodney, Burning Spear. You know, the man who have like that wisdom of Marcus Mosiah Garvey. You know, every black man is an African woman abroad. You know what I mean? So some of these things, you cannot just grow dreadlocks and don't go back to the foundation where it was actually popular, like in Jamaica, of which I'm not saying Jamaica is the first one to have dreadlocks people. No, it's an African culture, but it was more based on witchcraft and the witch doctors. You can listen to that. Peter Tosh has an album called Witch Doctor. Listen to those songs, man. If you ever have time, you know, go out and listen to a song by Peter Tosh. Pick up the pieces. You can understand what I went through. I was down and out, but I just, you know, pick up the pieces and stand up again. You know what I mean? And just push myself to a level that no one can tell me what to do. Right now, no one can tell me what to do. I do what I want, what I feel. I eat what I want. Not even a Rastafarian can stop me from eating meat. You know what I mean? Here in Canada, you have people who call them Rastafarians. When they go in and take out a Jamaican food store, and they want oxtail, rice and peas, they say, give me the thing. Or if they want jerk chicken and curry goat. And the person behind the scene, you know, he knows what they think for that certain man, you know what I mean? Because if you want to get fish in this country, in Canada, if you want to order fish in a Jamaican restaurant, you have to call in advance or go there and order it, and they prepare it right on the spot. Because fish is not something that is bought on a regular, like how people buy oxtail, rice and peas, or curry goat and white rice, jerk chicken, curry chicken, stew chicken, all those things. You know what I mean? But anyways, give thanks and praises to the Rastafarians out there that don't look at other people like they are less human, that respect other people, and, you know, lead them. Each one teach one. You know what I mean? Some people are lost sheep out there, Saga. sometimes we need to teach one another about this dreadlocks, how it all transpired, and why do people wear dreadlocks. We have Little Wayne is a hip hop artist and he wears dreadlocks. You don't know why he wears dreadlocks. Maybe there's some spirituality in it. Maybe he went to Jamaica, or maybe he has been around Jamaicans that wear dreadlocks and put some wisdom in his head, and he decided to grow dreadlocks. So never judge a dreadlocks man thinking that that person is a reggae, is a vegetarian or is a reggae lover. Dreadlocks can be a fashion, and can be a lifestyle, and can be a culture. For me, it's everything, and it has done wonders for me. I would like to thank the dreadlocks, all these dreadlocks. I give thanks, you know what I mean? Because it make me get, you know, ndakadzora tambo panyaya yeviolence. Wazvinzwisa kana ane nzeve anzwa. I used to be one of those people kuti ndakaenda ku club, 5 out of 10 ndinopinda muhondo nemwe munhu. But with dreadlocks now, maybe it's 1 out of 10 now, or 1 out of 50. Ndongoenda mubhawa ndongonzwawo music yangu ndobuda. But my dreadlocks are not for, I'm not a Rastafarian. You can call me fashion dread, but I'm not a renter dread. Alright? Give thanks.